In today's video, I'll show you how to create this pattern with just one click. The first, you choose Rectangle tool. Choose Move tool. Click to object and choose Path and choose Split into Gird. Hold Alt key and choose Dry T Selection tool. Choose Move tool again and fill color. Select and group. Choose Arrange, bring into front, and select all. And click to File, choose Script, and choose Replace Items. I'm done. The download link and installation guide for the script are in the video description. Don't forget to like this video, and thanks for watching.